Hi friends! So today we are going to start off our day by waving hello to our neighbors on our screen. So we're going to first, everybody's going to look around them. We're not going to talk yet, but we're going to look who's over here. Is there someone above you on your screen or below you on your screen? Or maybe this way or that way? Where are they? So you're going to go find someone and we're going to start. I'm going to start. So I'm going to say, I Miss Reed, and then I'm going to look to my left or look to my right and pick a friend. So I'm going to say, oh, look, there's Allie. We'll say, hello, Allie. How are you? And Allie's going to say, hi, Miss Reed. I am whatever she's feeling. And so then after Allie gets she says hello and she tells us how she's feeling, she's going to find another friend to call on, and we're going to just keep going until all our friends have had a chance to tell us how they are doing. If you don't know someone's name, it's okay. You can look at their little name below their picture, or if you need help finding a friend, you can always ask me. So we're going to take a few minutes to do this now. Let us know if you have any questions. So let's start with our friend Allie.